we're gonna make some shrimp, kinda salad. What we call is that? And I have here a cucumber and two pieces of tomato and 2 pieces of spring onions. And I have to use this one to make a noodles out of this cucumber. Alright, and there's shrimp right here, tailbone shrimp that I have to marinate. We have to marinate this one with garlic salt, black pepper, ground black pepper, and paprika. Alright. Now, so we have to mix it. So instead of shredding this one into like noodles, I just julienne them. I sliced them like this. So we have here cast iron skillet, and we have 2 or 4 kind of olive oil right there. Now we will set aside and we add a little bit of oil again. Gonna put the tomatoes. Okay, just saute it a little bit. And then add the cucumber. It's just a little, we don't need to cook it all the way because cucumber can be eaten raw. So just like add the green onion. Add back the shrimp, okay? And we just season it with salt.